जी नमस्कार।
अरे बढ़िया, ये हुई ना एक first trade as Raghupati will give the go ahead. And what have the team done in the last 5 matches? That's a very important stuff to watch out, because in the last 5 matches the Jaipur Pink Cubs have lost only 1 match, and that running hand touch, that dreadful dangerous running hand touch on that right cover, gets the first point to Parvinder Bura. This is exactly what I asked Yogesh Nagar Saab. And of course after that, one tractor for their own, because as of now it's just a tractor on hire. So yeah, as Ashish Bhatti comes into the door, Navneet, and he's been tackled. Simple, no pressure whatsoever.
1 point 85%, 85%।
My God,
जो सिर्फ इस बात पर जीवित है कि वो अपने खेत में कुछ उगाते हैं, वो खाते हैं, और बहुत सारी बातें बारिश पे निर्भर होती है।
1 point UP Falcons,
और उन पर निर्भर है हम।
The time when they utilize themselves as most.
Yeah, that's because they always believe in that big starts. And generally, Navneet, I will want our data partners also to tell us this. As Kunal Bhatti, he's got a couple of points. Oh no, it's 3, I guess. Well.
3
First
points,
super raid
UP
coming in.
Falcons.
And
Yes,
Sahil
number
Satpal,
7,
he's a very cool captain. He says
out.
that's okay.
7-25, 3 out.
Yeah, that's really okay. He says, I've got some stories with Sahil Satpal as well. But what happened?
UP
Ankle
Falcons.
hold missed from Ronak Chaudhary. Sahil
9
Satpal
out,
came in.
22
Yeah, that is why this is the India
33
one-star
out.
moment of the match.
55 in.
And that is why that defense is so... And then suddenly that sweeping toe touch. Brilliant, Parvinder Bura. And I'll tell you what, not just that, Namit, not just Kheti ki Zameen. Oh, that block was again not strong. Arjun Sirohi backtracks. Couple of points. Yeah, Yogesh Nagar
2
Saab
points,
on his
UP
legs as
Falcons.
always. He
Yes,
was
number
missing in
7
action.
and 25
Yogi
out.
Cam was
17
not
and
used
25
at all in the last 2 matches. And today, it's doing overtime.
Right.
Harbir Singh has that issue every time, goes too very advanced. And the nation has been, I think, saved to the top slot flight. And also, even remember, the Warriors KC are also chasing the Jaipur Pink Cup. So victory is much needed for both these teams. Again, a hasty tackle.
1 point Jaipur Pink Cubs. Jersey number 22 out.
कोई पोजीशन नहीं होता। आपने कहा अभी वो बहुत छोटे हैं। छोटे लोग जो उम्र में, एक्सपीरियंस में कभी-कभी छोटे होते हैं, वो लीडर होते हैं। और परविंदर बुरा वो लीडर है, लेकिन यहाँ साहिल सतपाल पकड़े गए हैं।
Right arrow.
Yeah, he was
1
searching, he was searching. Dharan steals the bonus and goes back. What impressive stories. And this is an impressive raid. Mohit Nagar gets a 2-pointer.
UP Falcons.
And that
Jersey number
new
17
defense combination
and
is not
12.
working for Aditya Duhan. Yeah, he's tensed.
ये योगेश नागर साहब बोल रहे थे कि नया लड़का है, आज हम उन्हें ट्राई कर रहे हैं क्योंकि पुराने लड़के ने प्रदर्शन अच्छा नहीं किया है।
Right.
मोहित
नवनीत, आपने बता दिया, जरूरत है योगेश नागर साहब को, और रेडिंग में और डिफेंस में दोनों में जरूरत है।
यह जरूरत जिंदगी का आधार होती है। और यहाँ पर अर्जुन सिरोही ने
2+2
जयपुर
4
पिंक
points.
कप्स का
UP
मामला
Falcons are
रफा
out.
दफा कर दिया है।
Jaipur Pink Cubs.
That's nice. I like it. Navneet, what did you have for breakfast? You're in complete good form. Rafa Dafa. Yeah, that's a nice word for the all out as well. Yeah, and Parvinder Bura. The turn, most importantly, the turn coming into play. India one-star moment of the match. And the all out being inflicted on.
अर्जुन सिरोही। और अक्सर मैं एक कहानी देखता हूँ कि जब कोचेस बताते हैं टाइम आउट्स में, डिफरेंट भाषाओं में बात करते हैं। कोई हिंदी में बात करता है, कोई हरियाणवी में, कोई पंजाबी में, कोई तमिल में बात करता है, कोई मराठी में भी बात करता है। और मुझे लगता है कि
1 point
अगर
UP Falcons. Jersey
ऐसा
number
कोई
17
टीम बनाए
and
हैं।
Jaipur Pink Cubs.
Oh, there's a bonus again. Parvinder Bura! Where did he come in from? Oh my God!
Right arrow.
What is he actually made of? I think
Cups.
kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. That's all he's made of. How did he even do that? What's this?
Wait,
The covers did not go through to the dash, and it was a solo tackle. India one star moment for sure for what he's thinking is. Oh, I need. Good
अगर
thinking.
सुपर टैकल होगा तो बराबर का मामला हो जाता,
Half time,
लेकिन वो
change
हुआ
the
नहीं
code.
और हाफ टाइम हो गया है. चेंज द कोड बोला गया है. कब को पॉइंट मिला, एक सुपर रेट यूपी फैल्कन्स को मिला.
On top of which I am sitting, and I've also put that to my co-commentators as well, whoever can sit next to me. 3 chairs on top of each other gives what? Navneet, you should tell me, as Dharnidharan gets a touch point on Vivek on that right
1
corner.
point, Jaipur Pink
What
Cups.
happens now? Little, just hold on to your nerves, he says. That's also needed. And I will say, Dharni, listen to Bura. Listen to him. He's a good thinker. He knows to carry the game forward and the team. Well,
लेकिन
Navneet, if Mohit can save the all out here, he will be the best raider for me for UP Falcons. No.
Bonus
He's done
point,
good
UP
today,
Falcons, rider out.
but
1
not
plus
in
2,
saving
3
the all
points,
out.
Jaipur Pink Cups. All out, UP Falcons.
एक कहावत है, द जंगल बुक, मोगली जो सीरियल आता था 90s में बच्चों के लिए, उसमें एक कहावत थी कि जो भेड़िया होता है वो झुंड की ताकत होता है और जो झुंड होता है वो भेड़िए की ताकत होता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे अर्जुन सिरोही पकड़े गए, तो मैं
Bonus
बोलना ये
point,
चाह रहा
UP
था
Falcons, rider out.
कि ये जो
1
कबड्डी का
point,
मंच
Jaipur.
करता है,
बिल्कुल.
एक म्यूचुअल रिलेशन है कि कबड्डी खिलाड़ियों को मजबूत बनाता है और खिलाड़ी कबड्डी के गेम को मजबूत बनाते हैं.
Oh yeah, and look at this. The raider out is what the call is from
1
Raghupati.
point, UP Falcons.
And Anil, you will probably feel bad because Parvinder Bora saw that very clearly. They don't want to challenge this. Let's see, the dash from Vivek was really nice this time. Vivek Kumar does well, lifts him up and throws him. Nice dash, very nice dash. UP Falcons are coming in stronger in the second half, and especially Arjun Sirohi, he's been revived. And I'll tell you what, Navneet, there's a story for him as well. Mohit Nagar. Oh! India one star moment of the match. This definitely. And that is the Yogi Cam.
1 point,
That is the reactions.
Jaipur Pink
I don't have to say the story. The footage, the visuals tells it all. But what was that? From the right corner. Attempts a block first and then the ankle hold. Ronak
Right.
Chaudhary. India one star moment of the match.
Or die.
Oh my God, that's a new one. Let's come back to that as Sagar Satpal has come in for a do or die raid. But I'll tell you what, every time Parvinder Bura, he's made sure that when he's there, the team does well. And now on it, what a turn that is.
Jaipur Pink Cups.
Brilliant
Number
turn.
6 out.
Sagar Satpal, he saw that dash coming in, nothing wrong at all. Turn. Oh, there are AK, DK, both of them. Look at that. AK, DK are conversating, crossing 2 people over. Aryan Kumar and Dipanshu Khatri. Make them sit next to each other.
1 point.
Like in a
UP
classroom.
Falcons.
Corner-
Just number 7
कॉर्नर के
out.
खिलाड़ी
Corner
दूर-दूर
mein
ही
bete. Done all the damage that he always does. And he's done this every time. It does not allow the other team to get a defender substituted in a super tackle situation. Awesome. That presence of mind. Ankle hold, that's it. Ronak Chaudhary is doing really good on
Bonus
that right
point,
corner.
UP Falcons, rider out. 1 plus
And
2,
another
3
all out
points.
for the UP
Jaipur
Falcons.
Pink Cups. All out, UP Falcons.
Navneet, he's definitely a good thinker. Or just imagine Lokesh Gosalia, Parvinder Bura, everybody in one team. I think Dharnidharan Kandasamy, hang on. Has he broken the chain or has he gone over? Yeah, he's broken the chain and he's gone.
2 point.
Another
Jaipur
2-pointer
Pink
for
Cups.
Dharnidharan
Just number
Kandasamy.
8 and 6 out.
And I'll tell you what, it was tough for him to find a place in the starting 7, Navneet. Because they had Sagar Satpal, they had Anil Mohan Singh, they had Parvinder Bura, And it was Dharnidharan who was the fourth raider.
Right.
He came in late, and look at that now. He's made his presence felt, and a high five. Of course, he's also made his presence felt. Is Ronak Chaudhary on that right corner? Ronak Singh Chaudhary. Dipanshu Khatri, what is he thinking? Can we get just a little eye on Dipanshu Khatri? Oh, Sahil!
Raider
Captain
out.
from the left
1
cover does
point,
it well again.
Jaipur Pink Cups.
अंतिम 4 मिनट।
आप क्या करते हैं, डॉट बॉल खेलते हो या चौका लगाते हो, ये तो आप पर निर्भर करता है। और अगर चौका लगाओगे तभी लोग याद रखेंगे आपको,
No
वरना
doubt.
भूल जाएंगे।
No doubt. And see, even when the defense
Raider out. 1 point.
Was
Jaipur
been-
Pink Cups.
not always, as Ashish Bhati now comes in from the bench to save the all-out. Can he do this? And UP Falcons have conceded 26 all-outs. My God, the third
Raider out.
best from the bottom
1
team
plus
to
2, 3
concede that one.
points.
And look at this.
Jaipur Pink Cups.
He's not even
All out.
attempted a bonus.
UP
Is Ashish Bhati?
Falcons.
What are they thinking? Yes,
बताने में
मैं स्ट्रेटेजिक
और-
टाइम मोड पे मैं क्या कर रहा था? आप क्या सोच रहे थे?
ये पेपर पेन का इस्तेमाल कर रहे थे या कैलकुलेटर
Raider
का?
save.
Obviously
2
calculator.
points. UP Falcons. Jersey number 65 and 17 out.
Oh, as Arjun Sirohi is the lone fighter. He is the lone fighter, no doubt. Very, very tough.
Right.
And I sometimes feel this name like Arjun is very good only if I'm not wrong. And he was again playing really nicely. He's lost a bit of fitness. Yesterday when I saw him, it was nice to see him play on the Kabaddi mat again. And Parvinder Buddhiman Bura again has got a Super 10. How many of such that he's done? And Navneet, I'm saying the Uttarakhand Kabaddi Championship has gone underway from yesterday.
Raider out.
That is
1 point,
coming in
UP
after the
Falcons.
UA All-Star Championship 5:30 match, and Parvinder Bura has been dashed out. He wants to review this. He just wants to, very first time in this match.
अर्जुन राठी, अर्जुन सिरोही,
1 point.
Yeah.
Jaipur Pink
अर्जुन
Cups.
रामपाल।
Jersey number 22 out.
Well, another Super 10 for him. And Navneet, with all that storytelling, I will probably continue that story with Parvinder
That's
Bura. And we'll come back and join you in the commentary box.
आज यूपी फैल्कन्स आज डिफेंस में कोई कमाल नहीं दिखा पाई। 3